Some stories begin with a whisper. This one begins with a hum. It is a frequency that technology can detect, but not fully explain. Imagine a map of our world, not made of paper, but of invisible lines of energy. Close-up of flowing energy lines. Pilots, flying high above the clouds, have spoken of it. Their navigation instruments sometimes behave strangely over one specific area of the desert. It is as if their compasses are being pulled toward a single, powerful point on the Earth's surface. This phenomenon, often described as a magnetic anomaly, is not just a modern curiosity. It is a thread in a much older story that has puzzled travelers and thinkers for centuries. Ancient stories and modern observations tell us that birds seem to avoid flying directly over this same point. They appear to circle it, and at its very center is the Kaaba. This is where our story truly begins. There is a special number found throughout nature. It is called the golden ratio, or phi. We see it in the elegant spiral of a seashell, the arrangement of seeds in a sunflower, and even in the proportions of the human body. This number, approximately 1.618, is like a secret code for beauty and harmony that is built into the universe. It represents a perfect balance, a blueprint for design that our eyes and minds find naturally pleasing. For centuries, artists and architects have used this ratio to create works of incredible beauty. It is a mathematical constant that connects the small and the large, from the shape of our DNA to the spiral of galaxies. The first great mystery of the Kaaba is a claim that connects this universal number directly to its location on Earth. The theory states that the city of Makkah is positioned at a very special point on our planet's map. If you measure the distance from Makkah to the North Pole and the distance from Makkah to the South Pole, the relationship between these two distances is said to be in the golden ratio. It is not just a north to south measurement. The claim extends to the east-west axis as well, suggesting Makkah is located at a golden point relative to the coastlines of the surrounding landmass, creating a unique intersection. This idea is astonishing because it suggests that the placement of the Kaaba was not random. It implies a kind of divine cartography. It transforms the Kaaba into a geodetic marker, the center of the world's land. Deep in the desert, water is more precious than gold. It is the source of all life. Near the Kaaba lies a well known as Zamzam. Its story is ancient, dating back around 4,000 years to the time of the prophet Abraham, his wife Hajar, and their infant son, Ishmael. Hajar was left in a barren valley with her baby, and their water soon ran out. In desperation, she ran back and forth between two small hills, searching for help. It was then that water miraculously sprang forth from the ground at Ishmael's feet. This spring became the well of Zamzam, and its existence allowed a city to grow in what was once an uninhabitable place. The first miracle of the Zamzam well is its incredible endurance. For thousands of years, it has continuously supplied water to millions of pilgrims, residents, and visitors. It has never once run dry. Remarkable, especially in a region with very little rainfall. In modern times, the demand is immense. Powerful pumps can draw out over 8,000 liters per second, yet the well replenishes itself almost instantly. Geological studies show the water comes from rain absorbed in the surrounding valley, but the sheer volume and speed continue to astonish hydrologists. Beyond its quantity, the quality is said to be unique. Scientific analysis shows a distinct mineral composition. It is rich in calcium and magnesium, which might explain its refreshing quality. Some claim its crystals form in beautiful, unique shapes, a belief not universally accepted, yet enduring. It is seen as a blessed and healing gift. The Arabian Peninsula is a land of extreme heat. In the summer, temperatures in Makkah can soar, often exceeding 45 degrees Celsius, 113 Fahrenheit. Surfaces become scorching hot. This presents a challenge for the millions of pilgrims at the Kaaba, as many perform rituals barefoot in humility and equality. Yet a remarkable phenomenon is reported again and again. The white marble floors are said to remain cool to the touch, even at midday. Pilgrims can walk, stand, and prostrate without discomfort. This is highly unusual. Many point to Thasos marble from Greece as the explanation. Its brilliant whiteness reflects light and dissipates heat. It is claimed large supplies were sourced for the Grand Mosque. Engineers point to other contributing factors. A sophisticated network of cool water pipes may lie beneath the marble, providing advanced radiant cooling. The sheer whiteness and polish increase solar reflectance. For those who feel the cool floor, the experience is a small mercy, a gentle touch of grace where the spiritual and physical worlds meet. Whether technology or miracle, or both, it brings relief to millions. Cool steps, hot sun, and gratitude. In the heart of heat, the floor stays kind. Set in the eastern corner of the Kaaba is a stone unlike any other on earth. It is the Hajar al-Aswad, the black stone. Framed in silver, its surface is smooth to the touch, worn by the hands and lips of countless pilgrims. Tradition says it was sent down from heaven and given to Abraham by the angel Gabriel, once dazzling white, now said to have darkened from absorbing sins. For pilgrims, it marks the beginning and end of Tawaf. Its origins remain a persistent mystery for science. Its appearance and properties refuse easy classification. Access for scientific testing has been extremely limited. Much of what we know comes from historical accounts and observation. Some suggest it is a meteorite, a rock from space. Yet most meteorites are rich in iron and nickel, and accounts, like claims it can float, don't match neatly. Others propose an impactite, natural glass from an impact. Another idea, agate, yet none fully satisfy every reported trait. The stone is made of several cemented fragments. Its exact nature remains unconfirmed. It is not clearly volcanic, nor a standard meteorite. It resists easy definition. That ambiguity is part of its power. For believers, heavenly origin is faith, not geology. The stone is not worshipped, but revered as a link to the prophets. A celestial enigma set in an earthly building, inviting us to ponder our connection to the cosmos. Some things are not meant to be fully explained. The cosmic dance, Tawaf, and universal rhythm. One of the most powerful and visually stunning rituals at the Kaaba is the Tawaf. This is the act of circumambulation, where pilgrims walk around the Kaaba 7 times in a counterclockwise direction. From a distance, the sight is mesmerizing. A massive, swirling vortex of humanity, all moving as one body around a still center. This flowing motion creates a profound sense of unity and shared purpose. Everyone moves together, dressed in the same simple white garments. The miracle here is one of symbolism and harmony. Its counterclockwise direction mirrors patterns found throughout the universe. The planets orbit the sun counterclockwise. Our Earth orbits counterclockwise. On a much smaller scale, electrons circle the nucleus the same way. On a much larger scale, spiral galaxies rotate similarly. Tawaf can be seen as aligning oneself with the cosmic order. A universal dance, from the smallest particles to the largest celestial bodies. The sound of prayers in many languages blends into a single hum of devotion. For those who experience it, Tawaf is deeply moving. A spiritual frequency felt more than measured. A counterclockwise echo of electrons, planets, and galaxies, centered on the Kaaba.